And during the holidays, child advocacy groups say they often see a spike in child abuse cases.
KIC's Abby Ray looks at what all of us can do to try to help with the overriding message, see something, say something. Abby.
Yeah, Deb, Chris, that's exactly what Ember Hope, Dorothy's Lane, and the Child Advocacy Center of Sedgwick County all echoed in their interviews today. The power of reporting abuse when you see it can save a child's life. Ember Hope says Sedgwick County sees far more instances of child abuse than anywhere else in Kansas, and it's a problem that gets worse when kids are out of school during the holidays.
We do see upticks during this time, and just compounded with the stressors that the holidays have for a lot of people. A lot of families just don't have the resources to adequately manage and handle what's going on, and a lot of times the children are the ones that wind up taking some of the brunt of that.
The Child Advocacy Center of Sedgwick County says it sees more than 2,000 abuse cases each year.
We only see the tip of the iceberg. Those are cases that are being reported.
A lack of mental health services and poverty are just two factors that can lead to child abuse.
Child abuse is everywhere. How you deal with it is how you're going to overcome it.
Carol Brewer with Dorothy's Lane says she believes drug use and abuse has also played a factor in local child abuse cases she's seen in the last year. That's why alcohol and addiction recovery resources are also a part of child abuse prevention.
With our agency, we offer the services for free that could help them, and we hope that they take advantage of it.
Parenting classes can also be helpful, teaching adults healthy ways to discipline their children and break cycles of generational trauma.
We can be frustrated as adults, but how do we maintain our calmness in those situations where we're not taking out our anger on children?
Experts recommend having conversations with young children and truly listening to what they have to say, because often kids are more honest than you might expect. They just aren't always believed.
You see something, say something. That is the very first step. All people in the state of Kansas have a duty to report child abuse and neglect.
Now, there are resources available like this extensive packet of information here that provides an easy to understand guide on how to spot and report child abuse and neglect. It talks about the different kinds of abuse and the varying signs. It was compiled by the Kansas Department of Children and Families, and it's available on our website, KIC.com, right now. For now, in studio is Abby Ray, KIC News on your side.